All right, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell from the description, today we are checking out the Jada, you can pronounce it either way you like, RC DeLorean Time Machine. I've had this thing for a little while. As you can tell, there's a little bit of damage up there. I'm not sure actually where else the damage is at, but I don't think there's too much damage on here. So wanted to, again, follow the theme. We've been unboxing some things here and there. It's time for some of these things to see the light of day. So I figured today would be a good day as any to get this thing out. So without further ado, we will take my wonderful Spyderco knife that you've seen in several of my videos. So yes, this is it. We're gonna take a look at the Back to the Future Time Machine RC. This thing's cool though, right? It's got lights, controller, which kind of mimics Doc Brown's a little bit. So we will, did I get it all? I didn't get it all. Out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Obviously, it's a Part 1 car, as you can see by the plutonium chamber. Now, I am not going to get into specifics on this car and what's right, what's wrong. These things, I mean, this isn't a 1/6 scale like the Blitzway that's coming out, which almost everything is identical. And a lot of toys, I mean, there's just going to be a lot of stuff that's not right. And that's fine, you know, from the vents to just a lot of things. But it still is a very, very good representation of a DeLorean time machine. So I'm not going to get too bogged down in what's right and what's wrong. I mean, a lot of the parts that should be on here are on here. They're just the wrong color, or it doesn't matter to me. It's not supposed to be that highly detailed, to be fair, but it is really, really good representation of what it's supposed to look like. So I really cannot get mad at that. So, I just touched the button and obviously the lights came on. That is very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. I mean, that thing is, yeah, I didn't even know it was, see if I can get some lights off in here maybe and get a good, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Very, very, so it's a nice touch, right? I've seen some that don't necessarily have the lights lit up, which is okay. It's just one of those things. So this does take batteries, which are already in there, and it also has a USB charger as well. So a lot of the newer, I've seen a lot of the newer stuff in my kids' stuff, you know, they take the USB and whatnot. So that is a very, very good sign. I like that. Let's see if we can get the remote out that came with this. There we have it. There that is. This is going to take some batteries. So as you can see, there's a pull tab, and we're going to need 2 AA's. But it's currently on. You see the light? All right. So as suspected, it is on now. The light is blinking, or was. Now it's just on red. And so is the remote. If you can see it there. So I'm hoping now maybe. Oh, we're in business. All right, I'm gonna put this thing on the ground and we're gonna give it a rip. Oh, I'm gonna run into everything with this thing. This thing is definitely pretty cool. All right, so we gave it a whirl. Overall impressions, it is a really fun toy to have. To be honest with you, if you're ever out and about, you just really want to play with it. This thing really does cook. It really gets going. I didn't obviously take a ton of video of it going, but it really does go pretty fast, which I do like. And again, you hit the little plutonium button and it lights up. So I think this thing is a lot of fun. You can still find them out there on eBay and a few other places. They're $30, $40, $50, something like that. So if you guys have the thoughts of buying one, or you want to buy one, I say go out there and pick one up. They're a lot of fun, as you can see there, and I've just broken mine out. So I'm going to have some fun tonight with the kids, playing with this a bit and kind of see what we can get into. But this is a lot of fun, and I highly recommend picking one up if you so choose. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next episode.